For those who...
Hello, my rival.
Pawn c4.
My English start to the game was unexpected for everyone. I intend to win quickly.
Pawn e6.
What is he doing? I am surprised. I will control the d5 field.
Knight f3.
I keep an eye on squares c5 and d4.
Okay, pawn d5.
Pawn will help me. I'm the smartest. Pawn d4. I want to take control of two more fields, c5 and e2.
Now my dear bishop is open and can be active.
Great, you're smart. Bishop is a stupid figure. He will quickly fly out of the field. The hour of the royal knight has come. Knight f6.
Knight c3.
I'm glad you recognize that I'm the smartest. You're an idiot. I continue to deploy my forces. I will block your bishop's path.
Impudent upstart.
Bishop e7.
I will hide my king behind the pawn fence. You asshole won't get to the king.
Bishop g5.
My dear smart bishop, attack the knight.
You're an idiot.
Castling will give my king reliable protection.
Bishop, get ready for battle to defend the king.
Pawn h6.
Everything is excellent. Now the king can breathe.
I have a window to the world.
You are not as stupid as I thought. Bishop h4.
Go to hell! I love my bishop.
Pawn b6.
My bishops are also smart. Jerk!
Pawn d5.
It's time to thin out the infantry. My rook sleeps too long.
Knight d5.
Agree. My bishop needs a way.
Bishop e7.
Do you agree to one more exchange, idiot? Damn you! Queen! 7! This benefits me! Now I control 3 fields! Say goodbye to your knight, loser!
Knight d5.
Soon my rook will kick your ass.
I am forced to do this. It benefits me.
Rook c1.
My rook starts its work.
Bishop e6.
Okay, let's see who's better.
Queen a4.
Oh, take a walk. The enemy figures are far away.
I'm the smartest. Victory is mine. Pawn c5.
Queen a3.
I'll try to take pawn.
Rook c8. I won't give up pawn.
Bishop b5.
I need a profitable exchange. Fine. I'll give it to you, bastard.
Pawn c5.
Great. Right choice.
Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Castling. Finally, rook a7. You're an idiot. Bad move for you.
Bishop a2.
My pawns require protection.
Knight d7.
Very cool.
Knight d4.
Excellent.
I'm pleased with myself. Self-loving idiot.
Queen f8. Knight e6.
The end of your wishes. You screwed up again. Let's see which of us has no intelligence. I flattered you, knights.
Pawn e4.
Swipe! You're in serious trouble.
Pawn d4. Pawn f4.
You've got problems all around.
Queen e7.
You bastard.
You rejoice early.
Pawn e5.
You idiot! I have good prospects.
Rook b8.
I better keep quiet.
Bishop c4.
I'll take advantage of your stupidity.
I have no choice.
Queen h3.
Queen, great job.
Knight f8.
I'm not making an exchange.
Pawn b3.
We have positional superiority?
Pawn a5.
We will wait.
I need the F line to be active. Won't let you carry out your plan?
Yes, of course, idiots. Rook f5.
Get to work.
Knight h7.
We will repel the threat.
Rook f1.
You idiot, kiss your slippers.
Queen d8.
All is not lost, bastard.
Queen g3.
Rook d7.
No, you're wrong, idiot.
Pawn h4.
Rook b7.
Pawn e6.
I'm happy to take a step forward.
Rook c7.
I didn't appreciate you enough.
Queen 5.
Now all the pieces are in a better position.
Queen e8.
I am way
I am the best.
Queen D8.
Rook F2.
Let's take an advantageous position.
Queen E8.
I hope for a chance.
Prove that your position is won. Bishop D3. My goal is to checkmate H7. Queen E8.
Queen E4. I will achieve my goal.
Knight F6.
Rook F6.
I left you unprotected.
Pawn F6.
I have no choice.
Rook F6.
The fence is destroyed. Now you're naked.
Loser.
King G8.
My rooks will protect the king.
Bishop C4.
Made me laugh.
King H8.
I lost.
Queen F4.
I am handsome. I'm happy. I am a winner.
You did it?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Epic Showdown!